Today, Michelle and I are in Lebanon, Missouri. We're floating with my brother and his family. We're shuttling ourselves, and the good news is it's only about 17-minute drive between Riverfront and Barclay. Wow.
Yeah, I'm floating in Niangua, but we're at the Riverfront Campground. Never been here before.
Hey, paddle people, join us for 9+ miles down the beautiful Niangua River as we paddle from Riverfront Campground to Barclay Public Access. This one is going to be a hoot. I just paid $5 a boat to launch. Look at all the people. It's going to be a busy day on the river. Welcome to Niangua River. All right, out here on the Niangua River, kicking it big time. We got Michelle back there. Michelle is on the Ascend Kayak. I'm in the Kaynoe. Here we are at Bennet Springs, and as you can tell, there's a tag that's required to fish here. They must release fish into this area. Bennet Springs. It's also another place you could put in if you didn't want to pay the $5 at the campground and get a little extra float. Looks like we have a choice up ahead. All right, we're at Hidden Valley right now. Canoe place right over here, camping in Canoe, Hidden Valley. Another place to get in. I don't want to get wet. What? Could be. All right, you're on. Everybody wait. Yay. Y'all look like you might have got hung up.
For a lot of people, till school starting, it's like a last hurrah.
You're all right.
Good job, buddy.
Okay, we have been floating. Get them ears inside. Got to tuck my ears in. We've been floating for several hours now, and it has just started to rain. Because it's always fun if we get a little bit of rain. Am I right? Am I right? Anywho, we're pulling up to NRO right now, but we still have a little bit further to go. So if you can see in the background, we've got rain back there. Rain everywhere.
Here's the NRO campground, and as you can see right here on the river, just packed out. And we still have a little ways to go to get to Barclay. If you're looking to float more primitive parts of the Niangua River, my suggestion would be to start at Barclay. And we did 17 miles starting at Barclay, and the second half of that trip, we did not see anybody for an entire day. So I think that's probably the way to do it. You may have to do it earlier in the season. But if you're looking for a float with some people watching, this could just be the ticket. The good news is if you shuttle yourself, it's only about a 17-minute drive each way.
It is still raining, but we're already wet.
Well, folks, that's about it. Here we are getting close to Barclay exit. I want to thank all of you for joining me, but the truth is the fun doesn't have to stop here, because you can click this video right here and it'll take you right from Barclay 17 plus miles to Lead Mine Access. And this is some of the prettiest part of this river.
I'm taking off from a riverfront campground. What town is this in?